Hey guys, Greg here, Bone Tactical. Welcome to my crib. So you guys may be familiar with the container build. Actually started with a really old junky shipping container. Then I've got a full video here on building the trailer underneath it from scrap metal. And now we're turning it into a pretty cool little RV, I guess is basically what it is now. So I've pretty much finished up the electrical system. I've got my breaker box here and light switches and connections. Then we've got a light that's going in over here. There is a company called Lumery that has sent some stuff in for review that I'm going to be installing here. Check out my unboxing video of the Lumery light that I have already been using. It's pretty cool, but we'll show you that in a future video once we've got it installed. There's really a quite equipped electrical system here. The cables are running all through. I've welded, everything's welded. I've welded all of these basically to hold the pipe in place, and then everything's kind of hidden away. I'm putting a window in here. Everything's extremely heavy duty. I'm using 3/16 inch angle for the window. I've used 1/4 inch angle for the door. Like I said, everything's welded. I'm welding inside and outside. I use just the actual container itself here for the door, the hole that we cut out of the container, the material. There's going to be a sink here, so just really some very simple shelving made out of some extra metal framing that we had left over from some of the metal framing for the pole barn. And already have the air conditioning installed. Here's the air conditioning hookup right here. The AC is installed. There's going to be some shelves here. Okay, this is where the Lumery light's going to go. I'm leaving the container doors as they are, standard here, just normal container doors. I've just gone ahead and cleaned up the seal a little bit. Basically, I'm welding up every hole, except I haven't welded up the breathing holes naturally for the container. I haven't decided if I'm going to weld those up or not yet, but I have welded every single bolt on here. Instead of trying to do like a half job and filling it with putty or something like that, I'm going through and welding every single hole or bolt and kind of just going through all the details. Then I'm going to paint everything and really just make it beautiful. The floor is really going to blow your mind, and we're going to actually, from right now we're in the metal and welding phase, then we'll paint, and I've got some really cool stuff to show you guys with the paint you guys might not know about or have seen before. And then from there we're going to get into some exotic hardwoods and doing some really cool little final touches from there. Thanks for watching. Bone out.